Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on show when you are active together on your Messenger app. We will go to turn on this mark on now. How you can do that on your Messenger app? All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on app, then it's going to take you to next window here, like you say, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, like you say, then you just click here on active status, and you come to next window here, and you come here to show when you are active together. Here you just click here on this mark, and like you see, this color show for us, that's mean show when you are active together, it's turned on now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all messenger app settings. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.